Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I am Adam.
I'm Jazz.
We are back here at the Disneyland Resort again.
Kind of late.
Very late.
Somebody took a very long nap.
I could not wake up, guys. I literally woke up and moved to the couch to take another nap for another like hour and a half.
Like sitting straight napping.
Yeah. Working my ass today. Anyways, so yeah, we're back here. Gonna do some pin trading. Gonna meet up with some friends. You know, the usual, guys. You know how our videos are. Sorry if you do know how they are, because they're kind of the same.
Oh,
but
we gotta
anyways,
buy me a coffee, so we gotta get maybe a pin box or something. So thank you.
And shout out to our friends Mike and Allison in North Carolina.
Oh my god, you guys, I got a special package from them. We'll be opening that up soon. I'm so excited.
Can't wait for you guys to see it. But yeah, I mean, other than that, we're gonna have a good time here. Pluto is
somewhere back
right there. Gonna try to get him right now, and that's pretty much it. But I mean, other than that, anything else you got to say?
This was not made well today.
Ooh. But yeah, nice to see you guys are enjoying our Hawaii video.
It was super long. So I hope
it was the longest video I've ever put out.
Probably, yeah.
And our thoughts and prayers go out to the people of Maui as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, other than that, we're gonna go right now. Just have some fun. Alright guys, look, I have 7 out of the 8 pins for this Muppet set. I can't wait till I finish it. I only need Fozzie. So I'm on the look for Fozzie tonight. Hopefully I get him tonight. And if not, then I have to do a mail trade, but it's all good. Regardless, I'm going to finish the set this week, so I'm very happy. Hello, how's it going? Oh, look at all those dips. Nothing. Let's see. This one's interesting.
How are we doing tonight?
Hello.
Hello, how's it going? Do you have trivia today?
Yeah,
Sure.
You want easier or?
I do easy.
How much was park admission when Disneyland first opened?
$1.
No,
Is it $5?
less.
$2. $3?
Close.
$2.
No.
$4.
No.
$2.99.
Above.
$3.50.
350.
There's $3.50. All right.
So they have to answer
Yeah.
the question before they get.
Yeah.
I'll do this one. Yeah, that one ready? So right here, Frontierland. Still doing some trading. Look, so we're about to do some unboxing. Again, shout out to Mike and Allison.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys so much.
These came all the way from North Carolina because I couldn't find them anywhere. So I'm hoping for Jack, Oogie, and Zero. So let's see. Ready?
Yeah. All right, so this is the first one. I don't know what you think it is, but
I see green.
yeah, so hopefully it's Oogie. Let's go. Let's go. There you go.
Oh my god.
I like his little legs.
Put them on your lap.
There you go.
Oh my god. Okay, next one. I don't know who this one might be. I see white, so it could be Jack or
Zero. So there you go, Zero.
Oh my gosh!
the one.
Tell me that's not the
Yeah, this is mainly
cutest
the one that
little
Jasmine
thing.
wanted.
This one, I love Zero so much. He's the only Disney dog I like. Sorry.
Yeah, that's cool. I got Zero.
Last one, I just need Jack.
There's 2 Jacks. There's a Santa Jack and a regular
I
Jack.
want the regular.
Just the regular one.
I already got the new emo, so.
Let's go. Let's go. There you
Oh
go.
my gosh.
3 for 3.
Oh, wow.
There you go. I love his little legs.
Oh,
Oh, Jack.
not Jack. Oh my god, all my friends.
All right, thanks to Blanca
Blanca's
for the suggestion.
genius. She said, why don't you put them on your ears? And now I have Oogie. I can swap it out for Jack or Zero.
It didn't even feel bad, huh?
No.
Like, it's just pretty comfortable.
I probably look crazy.
No, you don't.
No,
No, you don't. No, not at all. Not at all.
This is a whole team effort to get this picture.
This was hard to do, honestly.
Yes.
Move more this way. Move more this way so the castle could be right behind it.
So yeah, guys, Kermit finished the set. He's very happy. He can go home happy.
Did you trade Tinies for it?
No, definitely not. I was just saying, I just think this is a very Kermit thing to do, to have pins of himself here. So.
Right here, honey.
All right,
Bam!
so yeah, right here I'm just trying to
MacGyver this.
yeah, MacGyver it, literally. There you go. It's gonna stay like that. I'm trying to get a better shot right here.
Yeah,
in the
'cause you're gonna go
castle.
like this. But it's moving. You know why? Because there's weight on the back.
Well, that and then this, like this, the surface alone is
Hold on.
just
I got weight in here.
slippery. All for the love of the game.
Oh my gosh. It is way past
Here.
midnight, by the
You
way.
got another lamp right there. So that's weight right there. Put it where
There you go.
it'll hold it. Oh, see, this
This
is
better be the
perfect.
best picture ever.
You just gotta hide your tripod, or just edit it out. Edit the tripod out. Or unless you put Kermit on this side.
If you guys see this post on Instagram, please go like it.
Please.
From this angle, Adam, from over here, like get a little bit down and go.
All right, so we were here earlier, and nothing has changed really. Still don't find anything on the board that I want.
I don't think there's anything real on there.
No. I'm gonna grab this one. On the board. I'm gonna trade it out. This one. Easy. See anything, Jez?
No.
The board is lit. Do you have a trivia? Can I try it? No.
Are you guys familiar with Monsters, Inc?
I'm okay on it, yeah.
So in Monsters, Inc, when the monsters are exposed to children, what is the code that they use?
2319? Yeah. Cool. I did this. Yeah. I'll take this. Thank you. I don't bite. All right, guys, so that's it. Another trip at the books. Had a pretty good time today at the land. It is dead quiet here right now, because look at this.
It's 1 a.m.
Look at that. The parking lot's dead. But anyway, so yeah, we're back here. We're about to go home. We had a pretty good time today.
I don't know how this video is.
This video's all over the place, I ain't gonna
literally
lie.
just hung out with Blanca the whole night, so he went off with Jill. And
But I just want to say, guys, I really appreciate the pin community. We've met a bunch of cool people. We really enjoy hanging out with you guys. Anybody that just comes up to us too, as well, like viewers. We appreciate you guys a lot. But yeah, again, shout out to Mike and Allison for the.
oh my god, sorry, I look ridiculous, but like I'm wearing these on everything I can.
Yeah.
So
I said
Thank you,
shout
guys.
out to them like 3 times.
yeah,
Sorry.
but no, for real. Yeah, shout out to them. Alexa, she got me a Paris Cheshire pin and
Alien, a little green man.
Little green man.
That one's so cool.
And we traded for that. She's been holding on to those for a while, so it was nice meeting you.
And
Anybody else we ran into?
that's what I'm saying. Like everybody, like we just appreciate everybody that comes up to us, because I don't like to go up to people that I like to like watch on YouTube and stuff. So I'm like, I get nervous. But anyways, yeah, guys, if you like the video, please do leave a like, comment, and or subscribe. And follow us on Instagram at Adam Crispins with the Z. There is bonus footage right now, so stick around for that.
Yes.
And see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys, so I was walking to my car. I found this Lego here. I actually don't want to pick it up. but here it is. So if you lost it this day,
It is here.
it is here at the top of the parking structure.
6A.
All right, guys, so here it is, the bonus footage. It is August 16th. We were here. We got to go to DCA because apparently last night we didn't see them.
There was talks about this Marvel cat box, and I need it. I need the whole set. So on a mission. Apparently they're here at DCA, so we're here early-ish for us.
It's at noon.
I did not get ready. I'm sorry. Yeah.
All right, guys, so hopefully this is the store that they have them in. We've been looking already. All right, guys, we found them here at the Guardian store, the Collector's Warehouse.
They're locked up.
They're locked up.
Get to.
The Flare Kitten Mystery Pin Set. Nice.
Which are they?
I don't know. I also want to show this pin off real quick. It's the first appearance of Rocket Raccoon from The Incredible Hulk.
Oh, so cute.
That's what it says on the inside. Really cool. This retails for $19.99. I really like this first appearance line, but I don't have any, unfortunately. But I'm just not a fan of hinge pins. But this is really cool still. Very cool. I haven't seen this one before.
I just topped off at Lowe's V8 Cafe. I am ready to race.
All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Me and Jazz have never gotten this before, but it's really, really, really essential right now.
Yes.
This thing is this is a Ruby Float
Cozy Cones.
Cozy Cones number 2.
Yeah.
I don't know, was it like $6 or something?
Yeah,
but yeah, this
$6.99.
thing is hitting right now.
It is.
I'm telling you, it's like probably one of the freshest ones we've ever had. Well, I've ever had. But anyways,
We're
definitely
on a
recommend it.
flow kick right
Yeah,
now.
definitely.
I swear. My friends made the trip today too. Jack is on the other side. Oogie's hanging on for life, but so it's oops.
Anyways, we're here gonna do the unboxings for the Flurkin Kitty Mystery Set, or Flurkin Mystery Pin Set. Sorry.
Yes.
We just want to give a shout out to Erin.
Thank you so much for your Buy Me a Coffee donation. We were able to get these 2 boxes with that. Any donation we get goes a long way, so thank you so much, you guys. We put it right back into the channel to do unboxings, buy pins, whatever it is. So thank
Food
you.
here.
Food, yeah, it all
that
goes back
stuff.
to
And you know
the
we buy a
channel.
lot of food here, so. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate everybody that donates. Anyways, so here they are, the Flurkin,
Yes,
Fleur
just
Kittens.
kitty, Marvel kitty set.
Yeah.
I don't know their names. I just know they're cats, and you
Which
know
one do
me.
you want?
I
Don't mean to cut you off.
want
The black one, right?
How'd you know?
Because we
Yeah.
have our cat.
Yeah, either one of these black cats, or I like the Siamese ones. This one.
It's a good set.
I like all of them.
So hopefully we
Just
get
no dupes. That'd be nice.
right.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Okay, number 1. Oh, that one's cute. They're all cute, right?
They're good sized pins as well.
And again, these were $19.99 for 2 pins. Some of the mystery box have been going up to $29.99. So it doesn't have a. Oh, here. Oh, one of the Siamese. So cute. I would love to have a Siamese cat one day.
One day.
Wait, is it the same
Mhm.
one? No.
Well,
Well, I can't tell because it.
No, this is the same
that's
one.
Yeah. I hope it's not the same box.
they got us. Oh no.
No.
Okay, close enough.
But that's kind of funny, like 2 Siamese.
Mhm. So yeah, this one is for trade. We're gonna try to get the black ones. And yeah, I mean, other than that, these are good sized pins. Definitely recommend them. We love them. And before we go, I'm gonna try this mystery game. Hello.
Do you know how the game works?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it. Yeah. All right, I'll try this one.
Yeah.
No, I'll try this. No, and yeah, I'll do it. I'll do this one. Thank you. All right, so Kermit finally completed his set. Shout out to Pablo Michel for making that happen. He's a very happy frog. But anyways, yeah, finally happy to have all this. All right, guys, so this is our pin haul for the day. This is what we ended up getting at Frontierland, from right here to all the way down here. This one is not an official pin.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure. So Blanca traded it with someone and then gave it to me. You can pull it off. The back, they turned it into a pin, which is really cool.
I think it was like a keychain or something. You know how like they come in like a little pin and then like a keychain or something.
Yeah,
there's like a pack.
I don't know, but that was very creative, and I'm happy to add it to my nightmare board. It's super cute. And then
again, shout out to Alexa. She got us this one and this one all the way from Paris. So that's really cool. And then right here, these are the ones that we ended up getting from the box.
Thank you again, Aaron. We got those with the Buy Me a Coffee. They're so cute. I can't wait to get some more.
And then this one we picked up from ID Pins, and that one's been sitting there for months.
I forgot about it.
And then this is what I ended up finding on the boards. So nothing too crazy.
I really like the Mickey one.
Yeah, me too. It's pretty cool. Here's our fantasy pin section. Shout out to our boy Landon at the Sorcerer's Workshop. Always coming out with some heaters. He has dropped these 3 recently. I love these pins, honestly. Love the profile, love the reflections, and we don't really see too many Namor ones, so that's cool. Love the detailing in this one as well. Also, shout out to Fantastical Pins. They reached out to us on Instagram and asked if they could share some pins with us to show you guys and everything. So here it is. Really like these a lot. Love the Arthur one. Don't really see many Arthur pins, and don't see too many Astronaut Mickey ones. So yeah, guys, if you ever want to reach out to us and send us some pins or something, let us know. And yeah, that's it, guys. See you next time.